Hello everyone, let me show you how to appear offline on the Epic Games Launcher. To get started, the first thing you need to do is locate Epic Games Launcher on your PC. I've got it in the taskbar. Could be a shortcut, it could be anywhere, but you need to locate it to click it to open it. Wait till it loads. And then on the top right, you should see a circle kind of profile. Click it for the menu system and go down to settings and click that. And look in the preferences section. Look for enable offline mode browsing. As you can see, the checkbox is unticked, so click it to check it. Move to the top and click the left arrow. And that's it. But if you have second thoughts and you want to uncheck it, do exactly the same. Repeat the steps as we did before. And to uncheck it, again, just click to uncheck. Click left, and we're back to the storefront. And that's it. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, I would be grateful if you could leave a like and maybe subscribe. I will continue to make videos, and if you want to be updated to when these videos go live, you could also click the notification bell so you'll be updated almost instantly the videos go live on YouTube. That's all I've got to say. I've took up too much of your time as it is, or did I? Who knows? Thank you for watching, and I hopefully will see you again in another video. So take care of yourself. See you soon.